Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Jackie, but I also go by Lights Hearted in all of my social medias, which by the way, the links to all of those are going to be linked in the description box down below if you'd like to give me a follow on my Instagram and Twitter. For today's look, I created a soft glam makeup look for the first day of school. First things first, we're actually going to be starting with our face today. I'm going to be showing you a few products that I've been using non-stop and loving lately. So the first thing I'm going to be applying is this Cover FX mattifying primer, strictly only on my T-zone, and then I'm also applying the Cover FX illuminating primer on the rest of my face to still make it nice and dewy. Next, I'm pulling out this product that I've been loving lately. It is the SHANY Mini Masterpiece Kit, and it brings 6 layers of different face products. These are the 4 that I'm going to be using. The first one, which is called Number 1, it's a cream foundation product, and I'm just going to be applying the foundation all over my face. I normally don't wear foundation, but I have been loving this foundation so much. The only problem I do have is my T-zone, which is why I use the Cover FX mattifying primer. And I'm using number 2, which is the concealer palette. I'm going to be concealing my under eye circles and all the high points of my face. I'm also using the dark colors to contour my face a little bit more with it. To continue on the Cover FX train, I am going to be using these little sticks that they have. The first one is a Cover Click Conceal Stick, and it's in shade N10. I'm just going to be highlighting my under eye circles a little bit more with it. And then I'm going to be highlighting the rest of my face and also bronzing it up a little bit. It's this dark shade. It's so beautiful on the skin, and it's called the Enhance Click Highlighter in Candlelight. To sort of set my face and to bake a little bit on my T-zone, I'm using this Cover FX mattifying powder in shade Light. To set the contour on my face, I am going to be using the third palette from the kit. I'm going to be using the dark shades just to contour my face. For blush, I'm going to be using the number 6 palette from this kit by SHANY, and I'm going to be picking up this matte blush and the shimmery coral color on top. Honestly, this is my favorite blush palette from the whole kit. I use this almost every single day, and I'm going to be using the powder kit, which is number 3. I'm going to be putting that all over my face just to set the rest of my face. And for my favorite part, I'm going to be using the Juvias Place The Nubian palette, which is my everyday palette. I literally use this every single day. I'm going to be picking up the matte dark brown shade, which is the darkest brown they have, and it's the perfect shade for my eyebrows. I'm literally just going to be filling them in with this shade and also lining them, and this is literally all I need. Then I'm picking up the matte tan shade, just running that all along my crease and trying to blend it out. And then using my ring finger, I'm pressing into this shimmery cranberry burgundy shade. I don't know, but it's my favorite color ever, and I feel like it's just my go-to color whenever I need to look nice for something. And I don't want it to look super harsh, even though I do at the same time. But this is literally my favorite color ever. I use it every day for work and for school. Then I'm taking this darker brown burgundy color, running that along my lash line, and then I'm picking up that same light burgundy shimmery shade and just smoking it out a tiny bit at the bottom. For an inner corner highlight, I'm just using the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the color Moonlight as my base, and then I'm picking up that light white shimmery champagne color from the Nubian palette and just placing that right on top on my inner corner just to brighten up the whole look a tiny bit. And then I kind of just used all of the dark browns at the bottom of the palette for an eyeliner type of shade to use, and just pushing the product right into my lashes just to make my eyelashes look a little bit more full and to give it a little bit more definition on my top eyelid. Then I'm going to be spritzing my face with this Cover FX mattifying setting spray, and then I'm doing my eyelashes with the Wet n Wild Mega Wear in Very Black. For highlight today, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Apricot Glow. It's such a beautiful highlighter, and it is only $3. Let me tell you, it is absolutely stunning. It's my favorite highlighter for an everyday look because of its golden peachy glow. For lips, today I'm going to be lining it with the Milani Nude Lip Liner. This is also my favorite lip liner of all time. And then on top of that, I'm going to be using the NYX Pump It Up lip gloss in the color Elizabeth. It's a very beautiful nude pinky color. And that is it for this look. Here's a close-up of the finished makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to comment, rate, share, and subscribe. And also don't forget to click the notification bell if you want to see my very next video.